How atrazine works, why weeds die but grass survives. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down one of the most popular herbicides used by farmers and gardeners around the world, atrazine. How does it seal off the soil surface for months? Why does it kill broadleaf weeds but leave grasses untouched? Let's dive in. Section 1. What atrazine does. Atrazine is a pre-emergent and post-emergent herbicide. That means it can stop weed seeds from sprouting, and it can also kill young broadleaf weeds that have already emerged. Now here's the interesting part. Once you apply atrazine to the soil and rainfall or irrigation washes it in, it forms a chemical barrier near the top layer of the soil. For the next 2 to 3 months, this barrier stops any sensitive weeds from germinating. Section 2. How it seals the soil. Atrazine doesn't physically block the soil, but it creates a chemical zone that prevents broadleaf weed seeds from growing. When a weed seed absorbs water and tries to sprout, the seedling immediately absorbs atrazine. Inside the plant, the chemical shuts down a process called photosynthesis, specifically the electron transport in photosystem 2. Without photosynthesis, the young weed dies before it even has a chance to emerge. That's why, for 60 to 90 days, the treated area looks clean, no broadleaf weeds, no unwanted plants, nothing. Section 3. Why it kills broadleaf weeds but not grass. Now here's what confuses many people. Atrazine kills broadleaf weeds, but it does not kill grasses. Why? The answer is simple. Grasses can detoxify atrazine. Grass species like maize, sorghum, sugarcane, and many lawn grasses have natural enzymes that break down atrazine before it can damage their cells. But broadleaf weeds don't have this ability. So the chemical stays inside their tissues, shuts down photosynthesis, and kills them quickly. This is why atrazine is widely used in maize farms, sugarcane farms, and lawns, because it controls weeds without harming the grass. Section 4. Summary. So in summary, atrazine forms a chemical barrier that lasts 2 to 3 months. It prevents broadleaf weeds from germinating or surviving. It does not kill grasses because grasses can break it down naturally. When used correctly, atrazine keeps your field or lawn clean with minimal effort. If you found this explanation helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with other farmers and gardeners. Thanks for watching.